All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to do a circular gradient fill. So we grab the circle tool. We don't have to. You can draw any shape. It just works in whatever shape you need, but looks cool in a circle since it's going to be a circle. So I held Shift there to keep the circle proportional, and we're going to go up here to Window, and let's go down to Gradient. And you'll see this is your standard gradient, and it's going from left to right, white to black. And we're going to change that. Well, I'll apply the gradient now, but then you see right here, that's our radial one, circular. See? So it puts it right in the center. And then you still have your sliders here. We are white, black, and then the middle fader. So you can bring in, where the white starts, or you can adjust the fades right here and the black. Now let's change the colors. So that's pretty standard, but to change the colors, you can do a couple ways. I'm going to show you both, but you can click on this, double click, sorry, and then you can just change the color of that side of the gradient, which is really cool. You can do CMYK colors here. And then there's the eyedropper. I'm going to show you that in a second. It's not the typical eyedropper that you're thinking of. So we've got our sliders here, and now if we want to add another color, you can do it a couple ways. You can just go to your color palette here and just drag one out and just drop it right on there. Boom. Now we've got white, light blue, and red, and then you see that it added another fader in there, right? So you can mess with that, the fade in between colors. And now if you want to do another one, you can watch my cursor. If you just go down here, it gives you a plus symbol. See that? So you can just hit that, and now you've got another color, right? I'm going to put that in there. Let's pick orange, something we can see it. There we go. You move these around. Now I'm going to show you that eyedropper thing. This is pretty cool. So if you really want to fine tune this, you're aligning it with something, whatever it is, you just double click on one of these and you go to this eyedropper and it mimics, see this, the palette here, the sliders, it's all mimicked here now. So if you zoom in, I'm going to just give it a couple bumps on the Command and plus. And yeah, you can slide these around now. Really, really, up close and personal, really. So, that's about it for radial gradients. And just remember, it does work on other shapes. So you see it just, boom, I just put it right into the square. It works in text, whatever you need to do. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.